Okay, hi guys, back again for another unboxing. I received this yesterday again from Sakura Watches. This is the Ninja edition. It's the GA-2100NNJ-8AJR module 5711. I think it's the Casio. So yeah, we'll get cracking into it. Oh, wow, didn't expect that. That's a nice box. Oh, right, okay. Oh, someone in the comments is going to have to tell me what this symbol means. I've got no idea. It's got to be some sort of Japanese symbol. So yeah, that's the box. Yeah, that's interesting. Obviously no tin, but this is a limited edition version. What else we got here? In the box, as usual, books and warranty card. Yeah, it's the Japanese version. And let's have a look at this G-Shock. The texture on this box is like a wood effect. I'm not sure if the camera is catching it, but that's pretty cool. It's sort of greyish. It's nice. I like it. But yeah, comment below on what this symbol means. Alright, let's get into it. And there it is. Bang. So let's have a quick look at this. Oh, they've got the cardboard, no more soft pillow. That's a shame, but anyway, that's the watch there. You can see the Ninja star there on the day and the day markers there. So there's the Ninja star right there. It's got some hits of red. I think the back, so it's a limited edition 40th anniversary. In the back we've got the Ninja star as well. And so it's a clear sort of band. It's textured, sort of like the texture on a warrior's suit sort of thing. You can see right there. So let's have a look at the backlit. So it's the normal blue illuminated backlit. This is not the Bluetooth version. But yeah, so it's from this. Look from the side, the top. Carbon core. I like it. We'll pause the video and we'll put it on wrist and see what it looks like. Go back again. So this is just the Galaxy version that was the watch of the day for me today, and this is what it looks like on wrist. So yeah, looks pretty cool. I like it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff for more content. Appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel, and I've got a lot more watches coming through in the next sort of 2 to 3 weeks. See you in the next one.